Very good evening to all the participants. I welcome you all for the second day of this session.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Thank you. Yes, I believe my window is visible.
Yes,
Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. So yesterday we have discussed about what is a paper, how to draft a paper, like what is the title, how to have a title abstract, and how to have an introduction part, what is methodology. All these things we have discussed yesterday. And we have checked how ChatGPT can be useful in narrow down our research topic and finding out a research problem from ChatGPT. And we have seen a draft along with references drafted by ChatGPT. And you have asked them some questions, and I have told I'll be answering those in today's session. We'll start with those, then we'll continue further. Here is the answer for that. Why not ChatGPT? Many AI generated references can look authentic, but they will turn out to be fabricated or incomplete because models don't have live citation databases. ChatGPT language models don't have any live citation databases, so hence it cannot give us the proper references. It will either give us some fabricated references or it may be some incomplete references it will give, which will again put us in trouble. That is why we cannot rely on any large language models or GPT models, generative models to draft our paper, but there are some other tools which will give us or add us some authenticity, and ChatGPT will help us to fine tune the paper. We will see those things in today's session. The solution is we need to use some sort of AI assistants like GPT, plus we need to use some verified research databases. There are some databases which are completely verified. You can completely trust those AI models or the websites or databases. Then we can use the reference managers to do the citations. When we use these three together, we will be able to write a proper paper without any sort of duplications or any sort of fabricated works. We will see how these things will be helpful. So we can use AI assistant. We should use some verified research databases. Along with that, we must use some reference managers. All these three together will help us to do the purpose. We will see one by one. See, in today's session, we are going to discuss about four main tools. One is ChatGPT that yesterday we have started. We will see. Then we have a tool called as Consensus. Then we have a tool called as Semantic Scholar. Then we have Zotero. There are some alternate tools for each one of this. Example, ChatGPT, we can use other Cloud AI or Perplexity. Similarly, in the place of Zotero, we can use Mendeley. So like that, we have other tools also. These tools I have taken for today's session. We can always go for any alternate tools if we find better. Choice is always ours. Now, main objective is ChatGPT will help us for framing some design idea, and it will help us for concept framing, and it will also help us in paper writing. Here, paper writing doesn't mean entire paper will be drafted by ChatGPT. It will help us to draft the some outline, whereas other tools will help us to support them, whereas we can use Semantic Scholar, where Semantic Scholar tool will help us to our deep literature search, and it will also help us for the citation validation, and it will also confirm if whether a paper is really existing, and it will show us the citation graph author credibility. All these things will help us. Then along with that we can use consensus, which will find again a real peer reviewed papers which directly answers our question. With semantic scholar we can't ask any questions, we can just take those content, whereas with with the concerns we can able to find the real peer reviewed papers which directly answers our questions. Just a second. Yes. So now we have something called as Zotero as well. Zotero will help us for the reference management and citation formatting. It will save the PDFs, generates IEEE or any other citation formats. It will integrate with with the word or overleaf. Overleaf is for the latex, as some of you have attended the last event which we have conducted for the latex, where we can use Zotero as well in that as an add-on for the citation management. So we will see one by one how we can use them. So here, as I told you, ChatGPT can be useful for the idea generation, as I we have did in hands-on how we can narrow down our research topic and identify a research problem statement. We can able to find out along with the objectives, and we can pick some keywords from the database search in using the ChatGPT. And evidence, what is the proof? As some of you have already yesterday have asked me, many references which are generated by ChatGPT are fake. We'll discuss about that in the upcoming slides. As of now, yes, it will generate some fake references as well. That is why we need to have another tool for searching the evidence using the keyword from ChatGPT directly. We can use in the consensus, um, that we can copy the verified paper titles or DOIs directly from the consensus and then give it to ChatGPT for the fine tuning. And we can also verify the papers using the Semantic Scholar. We can paste the each title or DOI into Semantic Scholar, and it will confirm whether it exists, and it is also helpful to read the abstract in full, or it is also helpful for giving us the quick abstracts, a quick small abstract, and it will also give us the citations, how many citations are there. The more citations for a paper, we can consider it as a reliably good paper, because many people across the globe have used as a reference. Then here all these things, and we can also export the citations to directly to Zotero, which is a browser connector. Today I will show you how to use this Zotero also. So Zotero is a reference management tool. Here we can use all the references automatically according to the format whatever we are expecting. When we are able to embed it, it will give us the exact references, citations when we draft the paper. As a word plugin is also available, and for the latex also it is available. See now, as I told you in the beginning itself, we need AI assistant and verified research databases with reference managers. We can able to solve this problem, fabricated problems. So now, as I told you, first we can use ChatGPT, then we can use consensus or semantic scholar, then we can use Zotero for the reference management. When we are able to use all these three tools together, we will be able to write a very nice paper. And again we can use chat gpts, because verified PDFs from Zotero we can directly upload into chat gpt and ask. Once we are uploading that PDFs, from those PDFs we can ask them to summarize the methods and results for any selected papers. Again here we should not upload 100 papers to ChatGPT and ask. We should able to use Semantic Scholar and consensus and then bring it to some 3 to 4 papers which we are really interested in. Those papers we can ask ChatGPT to either summarize or compare, or we can extract them performance metrics using all these things in the ChatGPT. Okay, so now what happens? ChatGPT will be able to synthesize the insights only from the verified papers. It will eliminate the fake citations. It will completely eliminate the fake citations. Now, combining everything, ChatGPT will draft a paper. We verify them using the consensus and semantic scholar. Then Zotero will help us for inserting the citations and the reference management. Now we can ask ChatGPT, I am giving you the complete bibliography from Zotero. Rewrite the references in the style whatever we need. Then if we want to rewrite the references in different styles when we are already giving them in one format, then ChatGPT will help us to just reformatting those references. And here is the integrated flow. First we need to use ChatGPT for generating the idea, then we will use either semantic scholar or consensus, and we can use Zotero for the connecting them using the references. So any doubts up to this? Is it clear? Can I get some information or inputs in the chat box? Am I not audible?
Yes, sir.
You are, sir. It is audible.
Audible from the beginning, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Somebody's messaged me. It is like not audible. Now it is audible. Is it okay? Are we going in right direction?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Sir.
Yes,
Hello.
please, please, please.
For the some of the journal reference at the end, we are putting in the journals, no?
Hmm.
For some of the journal valid only, but we are not getting proper DOI for that.
No, if, normally we will have to use the references which is having DOI numbers. When DOI numbers are
Okay.
not there, in that case, those references we should not use them. If it is used in as a a few papers will be there where we will upload in the Airwix, like before we send it to journals, right? Where we can have in a preprint.
Yes.
Those things DOI numbers will not be there. There we can give a reference like when we have access to the particular website. That is also acceptable.
That is HTTP link directly we
Yes,
can give, no?
directly we can give. Along with it, we can add it like accessed on so and so date we have used it. Those things they will accept it if it is not published, if it is preprint. If it is published, then DY numbers must to add them.
We need to check the journal name in SGR emoji, right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. That I'll tell you, sir. What are the places we can able to
Yes, sir.
check the journals? I'll come into, sir.
Okay, okay, sir, fine.
Yes, yes, fine, sir. Thank you. So this summary is clear. ChatGPT we will use. Then we'll use either Semantic Scholar and Consensus. Then we can use Zotero for the organizing the references. So now, as I told you, we will dedicate some time for literature review itself, because sometimes what happens, we will write paper just for the literature review alone. Once we are in the initial stages of the research, for example, in a PhD time when we are doing the coursework, we need to start with the literature review, because in our thesis, either in the UG thesis or in the PG or in the PhD, one chapter will dedicate for the research literature review. So there are some tools which will help us really to write the literature review in a very easier way. Unlike in few years back, we used to download some 100 200 papers, take printout of those things, put a spiral binding, sit with those papers, study day and night to write those literature review. Whereas here there are some tools, the tool called as SciSpace, which I'm not going to use it today because it is very little bit costlier tool, where it will help us for writing the literature review paper completely, because it will help us. It is having the integration of your semantic scholar and integration with your chat gpt, and it is having integration with your consensus also. All this to put together, it is like a size space, which we are not going to deal it today, because paid versions only it will work out, as we are concentrating on the free versions mostly. So we will use it, we will use the free versions today. Either semantic scholar first we will start, then we will use the consensus, then we will use these things. Literature review portion we will start writing it. Okay, now from the survey we will be able to find out the research gap. Okay, then after finding research gap, yesterday we have seen, okay, like based on these literatures how to find out the gap all those things we have discussed yesterday. Then methodology, literature review part, introduction part, all these things we can complete it. When it comes to methodology, the main component of a methodology is your diagram, block diagram or the flow diagram. For that we can use a tool called as draw.io tool. First, let's so what we will do, I'm going to show you a small, very small demo for this draw.io, then you can practice on your own.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Sir, yesterday prompt document you're gonna share today, right?
Prompt document I'll be sharing it today.
Okay, okay, thank you.
I'll be sharing it prompt documents, and along with that I'll be sharing you multiple documents which will be used as a documents for further study.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Yes, yes, yes ma'am. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Draw.io.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. See, simple it is. The website is
Yes,
just
sir.
draw.io. If you just type draw.io and enter, you will get this website. It is completely free. If you have laptops, you also parallelly, if you want, you can just try it out. If you are in laptop, if you're in mobile phone, just you can watch. See now, this is helpful for drawing the diagrams. We can draw. See, we can use GPTs to draw diagrams, but whatever it is, the language models are not giving us exactly what we are expecting in the terms of diagrams. So we can use this, because anyway block diagram will be very simple block diagram. We can use GPTs to get a template for your blocks, what are the blocks should be there, or if you want, then you can draw it with the help of this tool, draw.io tool, which will be very useful. You can see here, you can draw any shapes, any pictures, and this tool even you can recommend it to your students as well, so that they also can draw some pictures if they want, using the draw.io website. And you can export those if you want. You can just export them. There are multiple types of charts available, you can use them. Like this, you can use your block diagram for drawing any sort of block diagrams. You can use your draw.io website. Similarly, some other websites also will be available, you can make them useful. I am showing you the free version so that even students, UG students, can draw their block diagrams, because when we see their reports, they are generating those diagrams using some GPTs and then bringing them. Even if you are seeing them inside, many mistakes will be there, spelling mistakes will be there, because they will not read out all those things. So you can write down, well, okay, whatever you want, you can see. If you want to write basic, will be there, shapes, basic shapes will be, if you want any basic shapes you can take. Or if you want to do some flowcharts, for the flowcharts you can use it. Or if you are really doing some entity relationships, those you can use it. And if you want to use any UML diagrams, you can use those UML diagrams. For that also you can use this chat GPT, sorry, use this draw.io. You can use even a background color if you want to change. You can change the background color if you want. You can change to any color if you want. You can change the background color as well. And however you want, in a portrait way or in a landscape, how you want to paper size, you can fix them. All these things you can decide. You can see the colors of these. I'll give some 2-3 minutes. You can, if you want, you also can try it out. So you can use this website for drawing any sort of block diagram or flow diagram, which is very useful. You can use this. See here, many things will be there. Even the iOS, if you want, or if you want some site maps, Salesforce, you can see here. Or if you want to draw some networks diagrams, AWS, Cloud Enterprise, if you want to draw, see how nicely it is. You can draw very nice pictures, because any paper, because nowadays very good journals, they will expect an abstract, they will also expect a graphical abstract to upload, because with those graphical abstracts they will able to easily understand what exactly you have done in the paper. So you can have any sort of symbols, It is not just for your papers. Even if you have academic works, if you want, we can use them for floor plans, electrical materials, whatever it is, wherever you want, you can use them. See, we are web icons. It is very useful tool which you can use it, for your articles or for the academic work. So the website, you can make a note, it is draw.io. Yes, can we move on to our slides?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Sir, how can you enter the text into that box? Is it
Yes, I will show
possible
you.
or not?
I will show. Yes, it is possible, ma'am. Completely possible. I'll show you that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's just double click, ma'am. Simple. You need to just double click and enter whatever you want.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank you, sir.
even you can change their font style. If you want, you can change the font style, and you can change the size of the font. Okay, and whatever you want, headings, whatever you want, you can do it, ma'am. It is really a very nice website to use for any sort of diagrams to draw. We can see nowadays, if we see any very good journals and all, if we see colorful images will be there, where they will use it in a very pictures, they will use more pictures so that it will look like in real time application. And like just like block diagram, we can use it for multiple applications. Any other doubts is there in this website draw.io for anyone? We can move on further. Yes, thank you.
Sir, can we use images as background,
Images as background, even I have not tried, we
like in
can try it out.
PPT?
Yes, yes, I have not tried it out. Just once you try it out.
Okay,
I didn't try it out.
okay.
Okay, thank you. Coming back, as I told you, we can use some other tools also, lucid charts and many other tools are there to draw the images. You can use it, any other tools also you can use if you want. Creating a workflow diagram will be very useful with the help of these websites. As I told you, we can use it. Chat GPT with image creation plugin also you can use it, or you can use Canva, draw.io, because normally Chat GPT will use Canva. Okay, you can directly use draw.io, lucid charts you can use it, and we can see many other tools are there. These tools also you can give it a try. Okay, because why I have recommended this draw.io is it is 100% free and open source. It can work in both online and offline mode. We can work, and many shapes connectors are available, and it will directly save it to your Google Drive. It whatever we are doing, it will completely saved into our Google Drive. Anytime we can use it, and we have seen some demo also. Now diagram is done. In the methodology section, now we have written the title. Abstract is written. As I told you, abstract can be written only after getting the results, but anyway, abstract part is we have covered some abstract part. Then we have completed about literature review. Now in methodology, we have discussed how to draw your flow diagram or a block diagram. Now what happens to do some experiments, what to use. Okay, that depends upon what is your area, what is your domain. Normally nowadays maximum everybody we are using it, Python we are using it. And if we are not able to have a high end systems or GPUs, we can always use for Google Colab or paid version of Google Colab, we can use it, or we can use any other matplots, all those things we can use it. These completely depends upon in your individual research area, which I cannot able to tell you, because it depends upon in what domain you are using it, how you are doing the experimentation, how you are getting the results. that results we can have like a tabular column. Now, one more tool is there that is called as the PowerDrill.ai in research paper writing. This is an AI powered data exploration and visualization platform. What happens even if we have a data set, we can analyze the data sets before using it because we do not know which data set to use. So what happens? I have a data set. Once I have the data set, I will have so many questions on those data sets before using it. Those questions can be analyzed. You can get the answers using this particular website called as the PowerDrill.ai. It will convert your questions into charts, summaries, statistical insights, and it is very useful for both your technical, non-technical researchers. This tool will not only useful for our technical people, it will also be useful for the non-technical people. Also, it will be more helpful. Okay, where it will fit in the research workflow when we need to use for data cleaning purpose because sometimes some missing values will be there, then data analysis also we can able to use this tool. Then we can use it for any sort of results visualization, generating some sort of charts, and we need to have an explanation. If suppose I do not know what is there in a particular paper, if I need to ask to a friend will tell like I'll take some days and explain you, whereas instantly you can get those answers, questions answered by this tool. And we can also use it for writing some reports using the databases. Okay, now we will see this how to use this power drill AI also. We will just give a try today. Is it visible? PowerDrill.ai.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. See now, the website is very simple. You can make a note. It is PowerDrill.ai. Simple website. It is PowerDrill.ai website. This is how the website looks like. I have not logged in. I did nothing. Just I opened the website. We will do one thing. So normally from where you will get data sets. Anybody is having an answer. Normally research for the research where we do have normal databases. Which website we will use it for databases? Anybody's having answer? In general, which website is
Kaggle.
this? Very
Kaggle.
nice, very nice, very nice. So it is Kaggle. So we will use We'll go to Kaggle. Is this page visible? Kaggle page? No.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kaggle is visible. So what I am doing it, I am going to Kaggle. Okay. I am going to search for some databases. Okay, you can take any database. Let me take something called as car price prediction database. I'm taking the database for the car prediction. I'm taking it. Will ask me to sign in. You can sign in from your own Google account. Yes, I have logged into Kaggle now. You also can try it out. Just if you have database ready, you can use database. Ready database if you have, you can use it. Otherwise, you can download some database from Kaggle. Okay. I'll use some data sets which is already there. You can use any database. So I have taken I'll take something called as hospital bed management database. Simply I'm taking some database now. I'll download this database. Downloading database now. Database is ready. It is in zip format. Yes. Yes, my database is ready. Now what I'm doing it, I'm taking into my PowerDrill. So I'm back to PowerDrill. Anybody has downloaded the database? Anybody has downloaded database? Is there with you?
Yes, sir.
You have database with you. Correct? Yes. Fine. No
Sir,
issues.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Kaggle, it is there. It is free, na, sir, database.
Yes, sir. Maximum it will be free only, sir. As I tried,
Free.
it is free only, sir. We can use it, sir. Kaggle. For research purpose, it is completely free, sir. We can use it. Sir. Any database you can take it
Okay, sir.
from there. Okay. Yes.
Sir, one small
Yes.
note, sir.
Yes, yes.
If we are taking our own database, some questions are raised. Whether
Yes,
have
yes.
you cited the database
Correct.
like that they
That is
ask?
100% true, sir. Because when we are taking our own database, who is the one who has given the authorization for us? That will be the first
Yes, sir.
question. For the first question, if suppose you are
Yes.
creating your own database, it should be if it is for medical, if it is for with some medical, it should be authorized or certified by a medical professional, sir. Only then we can able to use those data set. Otherwise, we can't use it
Sir,
data set.
sir, 1 minute, sir.
Hmm.
Can I share 1 minute what happens in my Q1 paper?
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
I use around 50% human face images
Hmm.
with respect to some normally laptop camera, 5 megapixel camera.
Hmm.
Around 2000, 3000 photos are there. That they are asked how exactly you taken this, have you taken the permission, likewise some agreement sheets they sent to me.
Hmm.
In that I took a signature of each person
Hmm.
because in my villages, some native villages, I have taken
Hmm.
the photos. Some twins are there.
Hmm.
Likewise,
Hmm.
I take with phone number. I took the signature also and sent to
Hmm.
the scoopers. Then they accept that paper.
Correct. That is true, sir. Because that is called as the ethical process, sir.
Yes,
Whatever
sir.
we do,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes. Whatever we are doing, there will be like ethical complaint should be there. That is why in every college, sir, in the research cell will maintain an ethical
Yes.
committee,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Whereas whatever we are doing, right, we are able to should get the permission ethically from a person. Even the medical databases, when they are sharing, no hospital people, they will not share the patient's name. They will hide the patient name. They will give us XYZ and then share it to us with their concern only, sir. So that is where, as you told, no, sir, it is very important to take the ethical guidelines, ethical complaints from a particular person before proceeding to our work, sir. Whereas if you take the standard databases, they are completely standard and it
Yes, sir.
is open to use, sir. Those databases we can use it.
Sir, how to make our own database citation, sir?
That you need to
If I have,
again, yes, if you have data set, again you need to apply to any journal which is related to that one, sir. Then once the journal is
yes, sir.
accepting that, right, then you can use it as a reference, sir.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Then you can upload it
Thanks.
into Kaggle and people will start using your own data set as the reference.
Yeah, we can upload to the Kaggle also, no, sir?
Yes, we can do it, sir. Before doing it, we should have a paper which is supporting your data set, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay.
Yes, thank you. Fine, coming back. See now, data set we have downloaded. We have downloaded data set. Now, what I am doing.
Sorry, sir.
Yes,
Excuse
ma'am.
me.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you show me like from Kaggle how to download once again? Like
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
trying.
Yes, yes. Can I have you, is this page visible, ma'am? Kaggle page is visible.
Yes, sir.
So here Kaggle page, you just need to log in. Have you logged in?
Yes, sir.
Once logged in, you can search for any databases, ma'am. See here you can have datasets. You can go for datasets and you can search for any dataset. See there are many datasets available. You can take any dataset. Now I have taken the hospital bed management. I am taking one more now. Lifestyle dataset will be there. You'll get an option called as download. Can you see the
We
option
can
download?
choose with our topic as well.
Yes, you
Data
can
set like
search. Yes, you can search as well. You can see here I'm searching for retinal vessels. You can see retinal vessel segmentation.
yes, sir.
Yes, you can take it, ma'am. No issues. You can use it. You can
Okay.
search for
Thank you.
anything. You can search for anything. Yes, fine. So now what I am going to do, I am going to upload this some data set into this. It will ask for me login. Okay, just logging in. I am logging into PowerDrill. Nothing I am doing. I'm just logging into PowerDrill so that whatever work I am going to do, it will be saved in my login area. Yes, logged in. Now it is logged in. So it will ask you where I am working, all those things. You can give it. Anything if you want, you can give any option and then. So that what happens, it will give us some suggestions. Yes. Now what happened? I got a space in the power drill. It is logged into it. Now what I'm doing, I am going for data set. You can see data set. I'm just adding the data set which I have downloaded. I'm just renaming it. It is for the hospital management. So I'm giving some name. So now I'm choosing the file which I have downloaded. Where exactly it is? It is here. So I'm taking in this database. I have many things here. I'm taking only the patient's details here. I'm taking it. So it is just taking some time. So that what will happen? It will just analyze our complete data set, whatever we have given. It is not only for the database. Even if we have some paper, even that paper can be uploaded and we can ask some questions. It will give us some answers. Did anybody has tried this power drill for your research? Yes.
No, sir, not it.
Okay, no issues. It is good one. So now it is done. Hospital management data set is done now. I'm just opening that data set. So it is now done. It is also synchronized Okay, now I'll go for chatting. Just selecting and then going for chatting. So here I just did for chatting. Now what I'm doing it, I'm just asking to generate data report. Nothing I'm doing. Generate data report. I'm going to generate some data report. See, you can see what it is happening now. It is generating the report. I have just uploaded the CSV file. Nothing I have done. So now what magic it is doing it. So it is giving me the data set. Data set comprises of 1000 patients records, each identified with patient underscore ID. So it is giving me the page, okay, age column. It is having from 0 to 89 years with an average of 45 years old. Okay, and what are the services? And now, before we ask the queries, it is giving us the some relevant queries according to this database. What is the monthly trend of the patient arrivals? Is there any correlation between the patient age and the satisfaction? See, all these queries we have not asked. These questions will be there in our mind. If somebody is giving a presentation, we'll have some questions, right? So it's already having some questions. With those questions, it is generating some answers for those questions. See, it is now done. See now what happens. Relevant queries. What is the monthly trend of the patient arrivals? You can see how with month wise it has given us the data. Then monthly arrival data. January to March, April to June. How many people have arrived? And monthly trend. It is giving conclusions. What is the peak and low points? And any correlation between the patient age and satisfaction scores. Again, it is generating some answers. We will see. It's already given the answer for the what is the distribution of services used by different age groups. Yes, now question number 2 is also answered with some charts. If you want, so okay, if there is any option to give us another charts, it will give us the charts. If you want any other colors to use, we can use those colors. Accordingly, we can able to use them. Now we can see scatter plot visualization. Okay, so now one more question is there. So once it gives us a finish, we will get complete report. See how many people, what is the average length of stay for each service type. So this will able to give us the analysis. If any data is missing, we'll be able to find it out. So complete data report is generated now. Completely we have got the report. So a complete report we can able to get it just by uploading a data set. Nothing we have done. See here, satisfaction level, different types of curves. Okay, we will be able to get the different types of curves. If you want, we can able to get those directly. If you want to take as an image, we can see as an image. So now it is done. See, if you want to download it as a Word or a Markdown or a PDF, we can download them as well.
Sir, is this
Yes,
a
yes, ma'am.
paid
Yes, ma'am.
version or free, sir?
No, it is free version only. I have tried, ma'am. I didn't paid for go for paid version. Paid version may have more benefits. I have used only for the free version, ma'am. Free
Okay,
version
free
only.
version only. How many till how many reports we can use?
As of now, I have used some 3-4 reports. It is not at not anything came, ma'am. Maybe
Okay.
if we want to use more, no, we can go for the paid version. That options you can try,
Okay.
just try it out, ma'am. See, it is PDF is downloading as I told you. See now PDF of the complete report PDF. If you want, we can download as a PDF report. We can download it, or if you want as a Word report, you can download as a Word as well, and you can use this data from for your review, or if you can use it for your paper as well if you want. But we should give a proper citation for that again. Now one more thing we will try it out. Now I have a report. Now we have given for for a database, what I will do, I will take one paper, any one paper I will try it out now. Okay, I will take one of the paper, new dataset. I will create a new dataset, some paper, random paper. Let us try it out. I'll check if any paper is there in this. I have just uploaded one normal research article. We will see what we can do with this research article. Only one try we can do. Then immediately we'll move on to the next tool.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you have typed first hospital management. So when you type this paper, it will relate to that topic only?
No. Just name I have given, ma'am. I have given this name. You can change this name, no issues, sir. This hospital management, you can give any hotel management also you can give. No problem. This name I have
No, no.
given.
Okay, just name. Related
Just
to
name.
that, it has downloaded, right?
No. We have downloaded one database. Then we have uploaded and given some name here.
Okay.
I have downloaded an Kaggle dataset from there. The dataset is about the hospital management patient dataset.
Oh,
This is just a name I have given here. Nothing is to do with the name. Just for my understanding, we have given some name here.
okay, sir.
Now this PDF
Sir,
is
I have
also.
a doubt.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, many data sets may be available in this website, but
Kaggle.
our requirement in the research work, does it match with the data sets which are available here, sir?
So that is what see PowerDrill is only analysis tool, sir. Data sets you can download it from Kaggle or any other places. You can download any data set and you can give it to PowerDrill. We are not taking anything from PowerDrill. PowerDrill is only an analysis tool, sir. Got the point, sir?
Okay, sir.
See, any data set, even if you have your own data sets, that also you can able to use it with the PowerDrill, sir. No issues. It will work.
Okay,
I will just try it out for one of the PDF I have uploaded. This is the paper. But this is the paper. Okay, I do not know anything about this paper. Okay, what I will do, I'll ask if it is possible to. The paper. It is trying to analyze the paper. You just ask it to analyze the paper. If anything is there to analyze, it will analyze and give us some outputs. See, I have just given some random paper on depression detection. It has completely analyzed the paper and it has given me what is the overview of the paper, what are the models it has used, what are the challenges and limitations of the particular paper we have, what are the performance metrics, conclusion, if whatever questions if we have. Okay, I'm just asking, it is giving me some other question, I'm giving some other question. How does this paper's findings compare to research other field in depression? See here, this data set, this PowerDrill will not search for any other data sets. Okay, whatever data sets you are giving to it, it will analyze and give you the results or any answers if you want. You can get those things from those data sets. See here, it is giving the comparison charts. So whatever is there in that particular paper. See, when we feel some laziness to read the complete paper, we can use this tool to either to read the paper, or if you have data sets, you can use it to analyze, and many other options also is there. Those things also you can go through. Okay, public data sets and machine learning.
Sir, can we upload multiple files and ask some
Yes,
questions
yes, you
and
can do it,
get
sir. You can.
answers?
Yes, yes, you can do it, sir. See here, if I have one paper is there already, one more if you want, you can add them the papers and then we can do it, sir. No issues. That is also possible.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So this is a tool for PowerDrill which we can use it for seeing the visualization, and you can also go for some sort of doubts if we have, we can ask it, and new data sets we can upload and we get the summary or any visualization charts if you want, we can get it with this PowerDrill tool. I have given just an overview of this tool. You can just work it out and then get it done. We will move on to our PPT again. Okay, now we have seen about something called as the PowerDrill AI. Okay, and abstract all these things we have seen how to refine it. Okay, structuring the paper we have seen how ChatGPT will help us. Formatting we will see now how to do this. And main thing is the plagiarism. We will discuss about the plagiarism and other things. Then we will directly move on to hands on with the other two tools quickly. Now, see, very important thing in paper writing or publishing paper is the plagiarism, because there are many types of plagiarism. Okay, their consequences are very high, because nowadays if you take, every institution is asking us to publish papers in Q journals, Scopus journals, conferences, all these places where they are pushing us to publish some papers. But other side, if suppose we are using some sort of other resources to publish papers in an unethical way, we will end up in plagiarism. Okay, when we are ending up the plagiarism, it is very difficult for us. Once we face this plagiarism problem, in further research is very difficult. Then we are bound to lose the career opportunities, either jobs or higher studies. And the last one is very long lasting stigma will be there in the academic records. Nowadays even NARF has given one of the criteria as, if suppose any colleges are having papers which are plagiarized or retracted from the journal. See, plagiarism is not only copying some other works, even if suppose works which are fabricated, if suppose we are not getting that output and we are projecting like we got some output, again that is also considered under the plagiarism, and in that case our name will get blacklisted. So we should avoid those things. There are multiple tools available for the checking the plagiarism. One of the most widely used tool is Turnitin, which is used widely in universities across the globe. Then we have something called as Urkund. Urkund is also a very nice tool, but comparing to Urkund, the Turnitin and Authenticate will play a better role. One Authenticate is the one which is used widely by the journals and the publishers. And one more tool is we have called as Drillbit. It is popular among the Indian universities and colleges. It will support multilingual support. It is there, but it is not giving us 100% guarantee for the plagiarism as well. So I recommend these two tools. One is Turnitin and the Authenticate. You can just use that because we are able to generate the reports for plagiarism as well as AI content also. We can get the reports, and before submitting paper to any journals, we need to check the quality and content. Then formatting guidelines will be there. Those guidelines we should follow. Then language clarity is very important one. Then technical checks, whether we have done everything, that technical checks we can use it. Zotero will help us to do these technical checks for the citations and the references. And finally, plagiarism check is must. Before, without checking the plagiarism check, please don't send it to any journals or the conferences. Okay, up to this, any doubts is there, kindly let me know.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please let us know that percentage of plagiarism.
That is percentage of
Because
plagiarism. Yeah.
sometimes we'll get confused with the 10% or 15%
Hmm.
or within 5%. It varies conference to conference. So which is the standard one? So please
Standard
let
one,
us know.
see, yes, standard one normally you can take 10 percentage to 15 percentage, both in the terms of your AI content and plagiarism. Maximum journals, standard journals, they will ask us to go with less than 10% sometimes. Otherwise, if it is Q3, Q4 journals up to 15%, they will permit us both AI content as well as the plagiarism. Up to 10 to 15% is allowed, ma'am. Uh, that too, it is within the tools called as authenticate or turnitin. Don't use any other tools. If it is drill bit, then it will be even 2% or 1%, because drill bit no or Urkunda will not give us so much reliable outputs. So if you are using authenticate or turnitin, 10 to 15% plagiarism and AI content, you can go ahead, no issues. Because if we are
Okay,
reducing
sir.
it to
Thank you.
5% to 3%, then we will lose the
Mhm.
technical content. So let it can be up to
Okay.
10 15%, we can use it, ma'am.
Okay. So Turnitin and Authenticate
Turnitin
is
and authenticate,
best.
you can always best, you can use it,
Okay.
because many standard journals they are using authenticate.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, actually, I checked the research paper or one of my review paper. In that, I got less than 20%, but it didn't show the exact percentage value. And I also got false positive in the report. What does it actually mean, sir?
So actually, no, sir, there are multiple things will be there, sir. Okay. One thing is what we have observed is, suppose some places now, if we have the spelling all as India, INDIA, in some places what happens, no, IND, in the place of one more I, we might have typed one by mistaken. Okay, so what happens, right, that one India is spelling is INDI, it's not a word. So that in that cases it will not show up the plagiarism, because those things I will consider like though it is not standard. Sometimes those things also will be a problem, sir. And if you are putting some content in terms of images, even then it will not show up. Because what happens, right, if some people we will use it tables, in the place of tables we will just make it as an image. In that case this image plagiarism will not run. That also might be a problem, sir. So in such cases, right, case to case it might be different. These might be the common reasons for not showing up the plagiarism percentage in the tool. Yes, we'll move further because we need
Sir, false positive in Turnitin means what, sir? Can you explain about that?
false, even false positive. Even I have not tried out false positive, sir. So I can't able to give the exact answer for that one, sir. These are the common reasons I have seen. I don't know
Yes, sir.
about
Actually, for diagrams and all, used Paint. I was not knowing much about other AI
tools,
tools.
tools,
So
tools.
that
That
might be
might
the
be also the
problem, I
reason,
think.
sir. That might be also
Uh,
the reason, sir.
uh,
Even if you take the block diagram and all, it should be in editable format, sir. When we are uploading it to the Turnitin authenticate, no, everything should be in editable
okay.
format. So you'll get a proper
Okay.
authenticated result, sir.
Okay, sir.
That might be the result. Fine. Now what we are
Hello.
going to do?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, I have a doubt that whatever the data sets which we are going to download from Kaggle website, whether those are authorized.
Yes, sir. Those are
How
authorized, and you
can
can give a reference in your references downloaded from the Kaggle. That it will be there. Reference will be there. You can use it, sir.
okay.
You can
Okay,
use it,
thank you,
sir.
sir.
You can use it, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Yes. Now, as I told you, we will see with two other tools. Anybody remember what are two tools? Two tools.
Semantic
Yes, yes.
semantic
Semantic Scholar.
scholar.
Very good, sir. So we'll see Semantic Scholar first.
And Zotero.
Yes.
So please share your screen.
Yes, yes. I'm doing it now, ma'am. Can you see the page Semantic Scholar now?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. See now, it is, you can note a website. It is simple, Semantic Scholar. Very free website. Okay, unmute yourself, participants. Yes. Semantic Scholar is a website which will give us the authenticity of the references. It will not give us any fake references. Like we have seen some fabricated results in your chat GPT because we do not know whether those paper exist or not. Whereas you can see here, Semantic Scholars will give us exact paper. Now what I'm going to do, yesterday we have seen something in chat GPT. I have opened it. Okay, I don't know whether you are able to see this. Can you see this? Chat GPT page? No. Okay. So I'm just copying the title what we have given yesterday for our research paper. We have taken some title, same title I'm taking it today. I'm giving it in the Semantic Scholar. So this is the title which we have taken yesterday for our research. We have shortlisted this title. So now what I am doing it, I'm going you to give a search here. Okay. See, there is no papers found, which means the paper title is very unique because yesterday we have shortlisted this title and such title is not existing in the database, which means the title is very unique. So now how to search for this? Now I'll just remove the methodology from this cross-sectional transformer. I am removing this. Okay, I'm just searching for this. Is there any paper related to this? No. Then what I'm going to do, again I'm removing this. I'm just going to give a narrow down topic here. What is the topic? Early detection of the depression. So some topic you can give your own field, machine learning, whatever you want. You can give agricultural field, whatever title if you want. You can give that topic, keywords you can give here and search. Now see this Semantic Scholar, how it will be helpful. See, we can go with the field of study. There are multiple filters available here. You can see the filters, whether it is engineering or which is computer science. I can go with computer science related papers regarding the depression detection. So now I have chosen it as the computer science engineering along with that engineering. So two filters I have applied here. Similarly, when actually from 1971 papers are existing in the area of depression. So I am taking only last 5 years data. I am applying it to last 5 years data. When I am very much particular, it has should have some PDF so that I can able to see those PDF. Okay. Then author wise, I don't want to go with author wise. Okay. Here I am just segregating. See now in the last 5 years, without these are the top journals where we are getting some published papers are there. Okay, here I am shortlisting those papers which are very much high standard scientific report journals. Okay, then you can see the papers which from only the scientific research, and I am one more I am taking it, let me take it from the plus one also. Yes. Now you can see from plus one and the scientific reports, I have got the papers. We have only 9 papers in those areas, which from the last 5 years, we have only 9 papers in those particular areas which are standard. If I want some other papers also, I can able to add those papers also into this one. Okay, so 15 results I got. So now this Semantic Scholar will able to help us to shortlist the papers based on our domain area, research area, and we can able to use it when with which range of papers you want. Okay, and standard papers we will be able to get them. And now see one paper, I'm just opening it just for clicking them. See now what is the advantage of this particular Semantic Scholar website is, see now what is TLDR? Just I click on that link. TLDR means what is TLDR? It will show you what is exactly TLDR. See, it is an automatically generated short summary of the paper, because I don't want to read complete paper. It is simple 3 to 4 lines. It is giving a summary. If you want, you can expand it to the maximum limit also. You can have a summary. This is the abstract of your paper. So now what happens here? I'm not downloading the paper. Okay, if I want, I can view the PDF. If I want, I can view the PDF. See here, complete PDF. Okay, will be there here. No, they have not uploaded the complete PDF here, so they have given the response letter. Okay, so PDF is not available. So what I can go with, I can go with the paper. Okay, I'm just saving them to my library. I'm just saving them to my library. See here, you can create one new library for you. Say I am taking a new library name. I am taking the papers as machine learning depression. Some title I can give it for this depression techniques. I'm just giving it to a folder. So you can create as many folders as you want. You can create this library. I will tell you why this library is very important. Now similarly I'll go to again, I'll go see some other papers which are very much important to me. I'll just see this paper. I can read this paper. I have a short summary here. If you want, you can read this short summary, or if you want, you can go with the long summary as well. You can go with long summary as well. And here they have given the direct link for the verification. If you want to verify this paper, you can just directly click on this and go to the particular website and then take the, you can give a look on the website as well. Okay, then again I'm saving this paper. I'll show you why you need to save. I'm saving into the same folder, and one more paper I will see. I'll take one more paper from somewhere. See, randomly I'm taking the paper. Again I'm saving this paper also to my library. I've saved these 3 papers to my library. So now 3 papers I have saved it to my library. What happens now? I'll go to my library. I'll go to my library. See, in my library I have some 2 different research areas are there. So this is the area which I have taken some papers now. So 3 different papers are there. Those 3 papers you can able to see those 3 papers. If you want to remove those papers, you can remove those papers. Okay, or if you want to create an alert from this author, if you want to create some alert, you can create an alert, so that whenever you want to have this papers new citations is there, you will get an alert. Okay, or if you want to cite that paper, you will get in all different formats for the citations. You can get the in different formats. If you want, you can take it. Now what happens, I am selecting these 3 papers, because these 3 papers I have shortlisted. These 3 papers, and I have an option called as export here. I'm just clicking on to export. See, now there are different formats to copy down. I'm just taking one of this format, just copying the clipboard, or you can, if you want, download those bibtex also. You can download if you want. You can able to see the bibtex. I just copied the here, copy to clip code is there. I have just copied it. Now what I am doing it, I am opening my GPT page. One second. Yes. Now I copied it and I am moving on to my GPT page. See, now what I am doing, I have just copied those 3 references. bibtex and then pasting it here. I'm pasting it here, and now I'm asking ChatGPT, okay, from this find out the summary. Some question I'm asking it. I have given 3 authentic papers with text to GPT now. It is just finding out, reading out these things, all these 3 papers, and it is going to give us some output from this. See here, it cannot directly can take, but I can summarize each papers. So it is like first paper, it has taken the first paper, given a summary. Second paper, it has taken and given summary. Third paper, it has taken, given us the summary. Overall summary is also there. Now we got the proper citations, whichever papers we have won, we have checked those papers, we have taken those papers, and then we are able to use those papers. Now according to these papers, I have taken 3 papers. If we want them take some 10 papers, and then accordingly you can able to do the same exercise what we have done yesterday. Yesterday the papers were taken directly from the chat GPT, and we have found like it is not completely authentic. So we have taken a new tool called Semantic Scholar, where we have seen the real original papers. We can verify them and then take those papers and then use them in the GPT model and repeat the same exercise what we have done yesterday. Then narrow down your topic research. Okay. Now this is one of the tool. We will have, I told one more tool is there. Quickly I will show you the other tool also. What is the other tool I have told you? Consensus.
Zotero.
Zotero.
Is the third tool for the reference management. One more tool I told you, consensus. This is one of the really a wonderful tool than your Semantic Scholar. Okay, again it is a paid version, but we have some 7 days free trial is there that we can use it. So now what I am doing it to do, see, first we have copied some topic. It is just stuck. 1 second. See now today we have copied one topic, that which we have shortlisted yesterday. The same title I am taking it. Again I am copying it. I'm going to consensus. I'm pasting it here. The same topic, when I pasted into Semantic Scholar, it has not given me anything. It has shown no results. Same topic I'm copying and putting into consensus and giving us some enter. Okay, it is just discovering and then finding out if anything is related to this one with proof. With the proof, if you want to do something, so it is just finding out. See here, there are some 2 papers which is already spoken about this. Okay, and we have an exactly where it is. You can see the tool. Okay, which this tool can able to help us to give us the exact citation. So it is giving us the paper, and it is giving us the abstract. Okay, and it is writing its own tables comparing all the papers. We are getting the proper citations. Can you see here? 1 2 3 7. If you are keeping on this, you'll get the proper citations here. Yes, see here, these are the exact references which we can use it. Okay, and if suppose if I have to see this one, what it is there, and I do not know what is there in this particular paper, I can ask for a follow-up. Can you explain this summary?
So this tool is to verify references, right?
Verify the references, and we can also ask the queries. If we have to summarize something, right, we can use this tool, and we can also take the exactly whatever papers which is related to us. Those papers we can filter out and take those papers and then feed those papers into the chat GPT. Mainly it is for
Okay.
the verification purpose.
Okay.
If I'm asking some other questions, can explain me with respect. I not given the answer full question. So like this you can use it. This tool also you can use it, and here you can also ask. Okay, directly you can talk with the PDF. Directly we can talk with the PDF also. We can talk. And also I will show you. Directly we can have a PDF here, and if you have any questions in the PDF, you can also ask for a PDF. Here follow up is there. They upload the paper and then give a follow up, but here uploading option is not available because it is a free version here. So whatever paper is available, you can just see how many citations are there when it is released. Okay, and if you want to cite this paper, you can directly take the citations from here, or you can also take the link from here. That also you can do it with the consensus app. These are the things which we can do with the consensus as well. Now, how to use it for Zotero? See, for the Zotero, it is very simple. Okay, Zotero is a reference management tool. What you need to do first, we will go to Google. Okay, quickly I'll just see Zotero. Here, Zotero, we need to first go with the Zotero connector for the Chrome. Okay, whereas see there it is like a extension. Okay, if we are using this Zotero connector, first we need to, it will be like an connector. You can just use it for, I have already added this. If you type in Zotero connector, you will get the extension. You can just install it as an extension first. Zotero connector as an extension. Then one more thing we need to take it, that is Zotero.
Sir, can you show that process, like how to do the
Yes, I will
connection?
show you. Yes.
Okay.
So it is very simple. I will just remove this and then show you. I have removed it. See here I have removed it. See now just I have googled and got the Zotero connector. Okay, this I am just adding it to my Chrome. Just I am adding it to my Chrome. Nothing I am doing it. I am adding as an extension to the Chrome. See here now it is added. You can see this here. Here you can see the connector, Zotero connector. This is there.
So
Now
pinned one, right?
yes, ma'am. Now it's second one is done now. Next, it's not done. Okay, once after completing this, we need to have a Zotero desktop. Zotero desktop. See a Zotero desktop app called as the Zotero desktop app will be there. You can download it for your Windows. See, you can download this. It is just an application. You can just download the application. Once download is complete, you can just install it like a usual way. It is not exe file only. You can install it like an .exe. Installation is done. Once installation is done, see it will get down. Once it is done, okay. Already I have installed it. Just it is normal exe file, so you can install it. Once you install it, you will get an application like this Zotero. Just getting open. Now once installation is done, you can see the Zotero. Here Zotero is there. Here you can just maintain your own library. Here you can maintain your own library. You can create any number of folders if you want. You can create number of folders if you want. You can create them. Once it is done, automatically when you are doing it, automatically it will get your link in the Word document. See here, in the Word document, automatically you will get your Zotero. Once you install the Chrome extension and your desktop app, both, if you install both, automatically it will come into your Word document. Just a second. Word document. Now what I have done, okay, it is I've installed the Zotero and I got the here tab for the Zotero. Now how to take a papers to the Zotero? That I will show you. See here, now just downloading some, I have some paper. I have a paper and just putting it and then getting a paper here. See, paper is there. This is the paper, this is the URL. So just what you do, click on the extension, go to Zotero connector. Simple, simple. Yes. So what happens once it is done, automatically it will go into your Zotero manager. It should go. Yes, see here. Once you double click, you will get the save to where to save into my library. You can save it to my library. You can save them. Saving to my library. Over. Fair and explainable. Paper is there. You can see here. Paper has come here. Same paper has come here. Done. If you want to add more number of papers, you can add more number of papers to your Zotero as well. See here, one more paper if I want to add. Just click on this, double click. Here click on Zotero, double click. Yes. Where to add into my library. Where to add into my library, you can add them. So that is how you can add them into your library. You can organize this, all these things, just you can explore this Zotero tool. Now I'll directly show you how to add in your Word document as well. See, I have just opened my something is there, which is I'm titled, okay, which I'm typing, simply I'm typing something. Now if I need to add the citation here, I'll just click on my add citation. Once you click on add citation, directly it will show you which style you want to follow, IEEE style or LCWare style, whatever style if you want, you can just click, then give us OK. Give us OK. Directly it will show you what are the papers you have in your library. So this paper I need to add, just give this paper, give an enter. Over. So now again you type something. If you want to add one more paper, just give an add here. So it will directly ask you whichever paper you want to add. Enter. Enter number 2. See, once it is all the papers, you have completed the paper draft. Now what you need to do, you need to have your references. Simple. Give some space here. See, add or edit bibliography. Add the bibliography. See, you got the bibliography as well. Completed. Very simple. Now you will not miss even a single paper citation from the article. So you will not have the problem of the plagiarizing of anything, and you will not have the plagiarism problem with your references as well if you are using the Zotero tool. And that's what it will happen. Now I'll show you the remaining portion of your PPT as well quickly.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you manually like a valid research paper link, you put it to the Zotero and you saved it to the Chrome extension. If the
Correct, sir.
ChatGPT has given some references,
Yes.
can we directly put into like the Zotero? Can we upload same file to the Zotero and cross
Yes, you
check?
can do it, sir. You can do it, sir.
Can you
Zotero,
show that one to us?
yes. See, it is like ChatGPT will give you some references.
No,
Correct?
yesterday you draft. Yesterday you draft. Sorry, sir. Yesterday you draft on paper, right? You copy that references and you
No,
copy this reference.
these references we can't directly give it to Zotero. These references
Yeah, that thing.
because these references are not, we do not know whether these are authentic or not. So once
Yes,
you are
yes.
getting an authenticity, only those things you can connect it.
How to check this paper is valid or not? Can you check? You go to that ChatGPT, sir, please. Copy that one this
Yes,
one
yes, yes. I understood. See,
reference
one
and
of the paper, one paper I am copying here. Okay, I am putting it in the your consensus. I'm just consensus. I'm putting. I'm just giving a search here. Yeah. See, you got the paper here, sir. See, you got the paper here.
sorry, sir. At a time, how many papers can we upload, sir?
Where, sir?
This consensus says at a time, how many references can be uploaded?
No, if you want some 3-4 references, you can add some 3-4 references and then check them. But I recommend you to have 1 or 2 references at once, sir. so that no, we will have the idea of what is there in the paper. So once we upload all these
Sure,
three four
sir.
papers, no, we can be able to get a comparison chart as well.
Sure, sure. Thank you,
That
sir.
we can do it, sir. See, now
Thank
what
you.
we
Thank
can do it, now we have find it is authentic. Then now what I can do, I can just, if it is pro version is there, directly it will go. Otherwise no. So what we can do, the same thing you can copy and put it in your here. See now what is the in your consensus, okay, one option is not available in the normal version, where connect to Zotero will be there. Directly this will be connected to Zotero in the pro version. Understood, no, sir? That we can connect it to Zotero directly. We can use them. That also we can
you.
do
Sure,
it.
sure.
That also we can
Okay,
do it
thank
in
you.
the pro version, sir. Okay, fine.
Sir, I was following with Zotero tab to be added to Word document, but I'm not able to get the tab in the Word document, sir.
Word plugin, no, sir.
Word plugin.
Okay, sir. After this session, no, I will show you the one of
Okay.
the process. If it is not available, sir, that we can follow
Okay.
it up. No issues.
Oh, okay, sir.
Then see this, I am not going to give this contents now. I am going to share this PPT. You can go through. See where to publish the papers. All those contents I am adding it here. You can just go through for both for the students and for the early researchers, scholar, faculties, how to find out the curated journals. All these things, since time is almost up, I'm not covering up all these things. I'm giving you this PPT. You can just go through. In some other session when we meet, I'll explain you all these things. Now, the main important thing which I need to tell. Okay. Though we are in learning the AI tool, it is my responsibility to tell what are the risks in using this AI based paper writing. We should be very careful in fabricated citations and the fake references, because and sometimes the hallucinated data, if we are not verifying the exact data, then there might be some false claims might be there, and we cannot take ChatGPT as one of the author to us and tell them this is what it has happened. Then sometimes ethical and authorship issues will be there. So we should be very clear, if we are taking something, we should have an ethical guidelines. When we are taking something from somebody, if they want to have a written agreement, we should take a written agreement before taking their results or any other code from them, either in email or in the hard copy. We should take the consent, and we should not use AI detection for any sort of um, ethical issues. Don't, we should not misuse the AI detection tools as well. See now, this is one of the slide which I want to tell to everyone. There is some evidence that AI can do mistakes in research writing. I have taken only 4 top most papers across the papers databases. See now, one of the paper in 2023, they have proposed AI chat GPT generated fully fake scientific paper that looked authentic, including data and citations. So now what happens now? ChatGPT, yesterday we have seen the paper looks like very nice, everything is authentic, but completely it is fake data. And one more paper it is saying like 68% of ChatGPT references were fabricated. Okay, for that I told you how to escape from this fabricated references. And ChatGPT, one more paper is showing like improved format of accuracy is failed. And at last one more paper it is showing like there are some originality is missing in the using these AI tools. Those things are already there. Okay, so we should overcome. When we are using these AI tools, we should be very careful. As I told you, human intervention is always irreplaceable. We cannot replace humans with machines in any place. Okay, and there is a small quiz you can take from this. You can just go to, you can join in your mobile phones or in laptop as well. Also you can join this quiz. Quickly, it will take only some 5 to 6 minutes. We can close with that. Have you joined?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please join.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please join.
There are no active polls at the
Yes,
moment.
yes.
Sir, code we need to give us, sir.
Yes,
Enter
sir.
the code.
We can take a photo of this. I'm going to move on to the other slide. If you want, you can take a photo of this quickly. Hope you have taken the pic. I'm moving to other slide. Quickly join. We'll start the questions. How many people have joined? We can see that many have joined now. Yes, I think we can start the quiz now. I'll start the quiz now. First question is already out. You can start giving the answers.
Hello, sir.
Ma'am.
So actually, I'm not able to scan the QR code. I'm using mobile phone.
Okay, ma'am.
So is it necessary to use in
No.
laptop
It
only
is,
or any other?
no. You can do it mobile phone also. No issues, ma'am. If you're not able to join, no issues. It is just for a warm up. That's all.
Okay.
No issues.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now we can see next question. I'm posting it quickly. Now Bharat is leading. Second question is also posted. Which of the following correctly shows the journey from idea to impact? Yes. I'm repeating the answer. It is idea, investigation, and impact. Next question is already posted. Which of the following is an example of innovation, not invention? Yes. I'm revealing the answer. It is creation of iPad. Yes. It is for the student, and we can take it for anybody, because we are the one who need to tell student why do we need to do research. Yes. Next question. Which is not part of the writing a research paper. Yes, it is 100%. Next question. What makes a statement more trustworthy in research writing? Yes, using simple language, using personal opinions, supporting claims with citations and references, writing long paragraphs. Yes, very good. Which of the following is a consequence of plagiarism? Yes, the answers. Revealing the answer. Yes, all the above. Which is the tool widely used for plagiarism detection? Actually, this quiz, no, it is not meant for this audience. It is meant for some students I have prepared for the last say month's presentation. Same, I'm using it with some different questions. Yes, turn it in. Very good. Next question. In IEEE reference style in text editions is shown as this we have done in Zotero today. How the numbers were used. Yes, very good. Next. Which of the following is a sign of predatory publishing? See, we have not spoken today about how to find out the fake journals, but please be aware there are multiple cloned journals which will look like more authentic, but they are very fake journals will be there. There are some process and procedures to find it out. Okay, in some other place we will discuss that also. Next one. A properly cited research paper helps avoid plagiarism because it. You can read and give the answer, no problem. No problem. Two more questions left. Yes, 94% correct answer. I told two important tools for reference management today. Yes, the answer is both Zotero and Mentally. Yes, I should congratulate Vijayalakshmi RS. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
You have done a very nice job, and all others, top five people, you have done almost 9 questions and 10 questions, which means almost you completed this one. Thank you very much for this. And see that last, I would like to conclude with this slide. Okay, we can take AI as a co-pilot. It is not an author, so it can only assist in generating the ideas, structuring the paper and refinement, but human judgment is always irreplaceable. And always verify every reference we use and climb the trusted databases from Semantic Scholar, Google Scholar. Also you can use consensus or cross references, any other tools if you want you can use them also to verify them. And critical thinking and AI efficiency will together will give us strong research, because we are having a very good critical thinking capacity. Along with the efficiency of AI, we can build a very good, strong research papers. And always ethics matters. We should disclose how much AI usage we are doing it. We should avoid the fabrication and maintain the originality. That is the only mantra to get papers accepted. And from idea to publication, AI can accelerate your journey, but your interpretation defines the complete impact. These are the 5 key points I want to tell to everyone. And any doubts if you have, you can ask me now.
Sir, can you send some journal names to where to publish like free journals?
Yes, sir. Yes, I will be sharing it, sir. We have a group now, sir. In the group, I will be sharing it. The details you can ask. I can share those details, sir. I'll just a minute. I'm giving you the feedback link. Also, I'll be sharing it now.
Sir, somebody asked the doubt regarding the draw.io. AI. Sorry. Actually, we can add the images also, sir.
Good, sir. Thanks, sir. Thank you for the answer. So you can add the images as background.
Napkin.ai. Sorry.
Draw.io, sir.
So napkin.ai, sir, it's also a very good tool, sir.
Okay, sir.
Napkin.ai,
sir.
you can try. Napkin.ai.
Napkin.ai.
It's a wonderful tool, sir. Like if you place the content and if you do it, automatically draft so many images.
Nice, sir. Thank you for that input, sir. Any other doubt
Sir,
if you have?
Regarding that one, I made 2-3 papers. Some papers got like fabricated reference. That's the thing I was facing the issue.
Okay,
using you could know the Zotero, and we can cross check and we can
yes,
make the proper
that
reference management.
That we can do it, sir. Proper reference management will help us a lot, sir.
Okay. Sir, then please share that journal link.
Yes, I will share it, sir. Whatever I know, those information I will be sharing it to you, sir. I have given the feedback link in your WhatsApp group. You can just fill the feedback form, or if you have any other queries or suggestions for next sessions, you can always tell to me so that we can improvise. You can either put it in chat box, or you can put it in your WhatsApp group, or you can turn your microphone on and then tell me any suggestions for next improvement, or if you want to conduct similar workshops, you can tell me.
Sir?
Sir, certificate will be given.
Yes, within 1 week. Within 1 week, you'll get certificates to your mail, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Hello?
Sir.
Hello, sir. Sir, one of my journal was published in Q3.
Yes, sir.
Now it is in Q4.
So they depend, sir.
About,
every year,
quarterly.
in the month of August, September,
yes, sir.
Thomson routers, they will just reframe this, revise those journal lists, sir. In SJR, you can just check those updates. Sometimes it will be in Q3, sometimes it will be in Q2, or it may go to Q4. Every year in the month of August, September, Thomson routers will release the list, sir.